Hi, I'm Dr. Max with Hair with Dr. Max Restoration Center. Today we're going to discuss one of the cases I've seen recently in my clinic. I do see a lot of people who come for repair cases. And a lot of time it's from budget clinics or what we call the black market clinics. The volume, of course, is much higher in Turkey. And it became more alarming as we see more and more need for repair surgeries after people go and being treated not by qualified doctor. Those budget clinics, there is one nominal doctor and 20, sometimes 30 surgeries going at the same time. So everything is being delegated to technicians. So this is one of these cases that I've seen recently. This patient went to Turkey after being recommended by one of his friends. He went there, had what was told 3,600 grafts surgery. And as you can see here, they only did the frontal area, but in his area that's treated, there's no way it was 3,600 grafts. The other suggestion, maybe it was over 3,000 grafts, but the survival rate is very low. It is estimated that maybe 600 or 700 grafts are actually growing after claimed 3,600 grafts. You can see here his hairline is very unnatural, both the shape and there's no transition zone, and the density is very poor. I asked patient to share some of these images that were taken after surgery, and looking at his picture right here, you can see that in this area there is no way it was 3,600 grafts. So I would estimate probably 1,800, maybe 1,900 grafts were transplanted total. But outside, even after they lied about how many grafts being transplanted, the survival rate was less than half. What people a lot of time don't understand about looking at social media images, because social media makes you think it's very easy. It's almost like a drive-through McDonald's. You have a quick online consultation, then you fly somewhere, you arrive there, you have a waiting staff, you have a beautiful waiting area, and you think because the waiting area is so beautiful, you're gonna get the same level of care. However, what ends up, a lot of time, we see this. But the most alarming here, look at his donor area. The donor area is completely destroyed. What that means, they tried to poke him with the punch multiple times, getting only 1,800 grafts, but punching him at least 4,000 times, destroying his donor area in the process. For this unfortunate patient, everything went wrong. Why surgeries fail? There is a lot of factors. One factor is how the grafts are being processed. If the graft is being exposed to dryness, even 30 seconds of dryness will irreversibly damage the tissue and graft is no longer viable. Hair restoration surgery is much more complex than even a typical plastic surgery because there's so many steps and each step has to be performed up to a standard. If you perfectly harvested hair, but there is a then deviation or setback on other stage of the procedure, it could result like we see in this patient. If you go to a doctor who is hands-on or she is hands-on and does the entire procedure from the beginning till the end, you know it's the same hands who perform your surgery. When you go to a clinic, you can have 30 or 40 or even more surgical assistants, and they all rotate. So you can get a good one or you can get a bad one. That's why you can have a good result on one patient from the same clinic and a complete disaster results what we see now from the same clinic because different people are working there. When you have a qualified, well-trained doctor spending the entire time from beginning till the end, hands-on, you get better results, period. It was Dr. Max. Thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe.